All right, guys, we are here with Clint from Standard Supply here in Oklahoma City. Clint is, you said, is a TSA, right?
Tech
TSA,
support and in-house training.
Okay. So what are the biggest perks for having you as a resource that HVAC companies can go and come over and talk to you?
If you have issues, we have an in-house that can take care of any issues you might have without having to wait on hold a long time with the manufacturer.
And that's a really big deal. If you've ever sat on hold with a manufacturer, you'll realize how much of a pain that is. So
I also have a lot of field experience, more than 23 years in the field, so I'm not just a guy that sits behind a computer. I've done this.
Okay. So actual hands-on experience is a really big deal, especially if you're a technician.
The Amana S series is related to the mini split. It's also variable speed, so it runs based on load in the home. Unlike a conventional system, which is just on or off, or even a two-stage that's on and low speed, on and high speed, this one runs at variable speeds depending on the load in the home. So if the load increases, the unit increases capacity. Because the outdoor unit looks like a mini split and has a lot of the same features that a mini split has, it connects to unitary indoor equipment, which is more American in its installation. These units do have a forced cooling operation, so you can limp them by if there's an issue with communication as well. All capacity drops when the outdoor temperature gets high on every unit, regardless of how many stages or whether or not it's variable speed or S series or even Amana brand. That's why design temperature in Oklahoma is 98 degrees. When we get above that, a properly sized system doesn't keep up. Daikin is synonymous with air conditioning overseas. Much like in America when we say, would you like a Kleenex or would you like a Coke? Overseas, people say, hey, we're getting Daikin today. They have been industry leading for a number of years. They also make their own compressor for the S series. Proper installation is the key to having few problems. If you give the system what it wants, which is proper airflow, proper incoming power, you don't have a lot of issues. Will you have some issues ultimately? Sure, it's a mechanical device. Everything's going to break. Do we have an exceptional number of issues with these? No. The Daikin fit in the Amana S series, they're like cousins. More like kissing cousins. That's like saying a Cadillac is a Chevrolet with a higher price tag. No, it's a little bit different product. It's better. If the compressor fails in the state of Oklahoma to the original purchaser, they will give you an outdoor unit. Inverter technology is the future. Whether you like it or not, that's the way the industry's moving currently. Standard Supply is a family-owned company, and the contractors that do business with us are more than just a number. And when they call me personally, they're more than just a number. I've been the guy on the other end of the phone who's having issues and trying to get their customer back up and going. While the S series isn't a fit for everyone, it is a fit for a lot of people, and it's a great product.